Hi guys. Oh, gosh, it's been such a long time, but we will catch up. Okay, I'm back now. And today I wanted to come back specifically because we're inching closer to spring. It's almost summer, so I wanted to plug you guys on this beautiful wig. Like, it's gonna be a hot girl summer. Okay, so we need to get prepared now. Okay, and I have this beautiful wig from Unice hair. You are gonna die when you see this unit, and it's so quick to install. Okay, so first up, the package comes with these goodies. You get a headband, lashes, a brush. I have this. It's a silk bag for your wig, perfect for storing it. And then I have the unit itself. Dun, da, da, da. So I want to be quick with this, right? Because I want to show you guys how easy it can be to install a unit. This is a 24-inch water wave unit from Unice hair, and it is glueless. I know the last time I showed you guys this tutorial, it was like 15,000 steps, but this one is way easy. This unit comes pre-plugged, you guys can see, and it even comes with the edges. Remember I told you guys that the edges were rocking me. Each time I install my wig, the edges are always rocking me. Okay, so first impressions, this looks incredible. Oh my goodness, you guys. So this wig comes pre-cut. For all my girls out there who are bad at this whole wig thing, it comes with edges, like I said. It has multiple clips, so you can secure it on your head. I know sometimes people are scared of wearing wigs because they're afraid that it might fall off. This is not going to do that, because it also comes with an adjustable headband. And before, when I started wearing wigs, I wasn't making use of this. Like, what was I doing? The moment I started adjusting my headband, my wig felt so secure, and I was just so happy. So this wig also comes with these, right? So I just popped one on, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the brush that they gave to me so that I can color the lace. Okay, so I already started coloring it, and then I remembered I'm supposed to be doing this on camera. So I'm going to dip into my concealer. You can use foundation. You can use whatever you have that matches your skin tone. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop this over like this, and then using this, I'm just going to color. So what we're doing right now, we are trying to match the lace of the wig to my forehead. So that's done. My wig is ready. Now I need to make sure that the cap matches the wig. So I'm going to do the same thing on my wig cap. Now that my wig cap is matching my foundation and is matching my wig, all I do is I just pop this on. Can you guys see how adjustable this is? Then I just adjust the wig cap. Boom. Okay, so guys, how easy was that? Okay, so now we just style it. I'm just gonna use this wax stick and lay this down. Then I'm going to go in with my hot comb. But now that we have the top a little bit under control, I'm just going to go in with water. This is water. I just put it in this container. So now that my curls are drenched, I'm going to go in with my mousse and just apply that all over. I'm going to use this white tooth comb and just brush out my curls. Boom. You guys, if you don't get this wig, then I don't know what you're looking for. This looks so good. And what I love about it is that it's perfect for summer, it's perfect for spring, It takes 5 seconds to install and you be slaying, girl. Okay, so now it's time to lay my edges. So I'm just gonna clip my hair back. This is gonna be super quick because the edges are already there, sweetheart. So I just pump my mousse, dip into it, and then a little bit of oil. Still intact. So yeah, you guys, that is the end of the tutorial. I want you guys to comment down below if this is something that you'd be interested in, because I feel like this is such a beautiful look for spring and summer. And you know, we're about to hit it up. We're about to be outside, girl. We're about to be outside, girl. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you guys are interested in the wig, make sure to check out the link in the description box. All the details will be available there. I'll see you guys on the next one.